Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 12 of MIP101 and analyze the key aspects of convention of on biological diversity. So if you need answers of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of solutions related to the studies and technical issues also, and some other helps also. If you need any type of need help related to studies, so you can contact us. So this is the question number 12, and before we all the questions, the question number all the questions 11 we discussed in the previous videos, so you can watch them. And now this is the video which is question number 12, and thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.